Hey guys, welcome back again. To today's topic is printing tricks, printing page numbers and headings in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so many times you have data over here in Excel and you want to print it in a different format or print all of the data at once. So let's say if you want to print this data, this whole Excel sheet, you will press Control P. Okay, so you can see the preview over here. What is this going to get printed? How it is going to get printed? So in portrait, it is going to be printing this data. In landscape, it is going to print this much data, and it will show you the number of rows and how it is going to display. So this column is getting displayed in a different cell altogether. Okay, so then you can always go back and change the size, or change the data which you want to be printed, or and so on. You can make any number of changes. So if you want only this part of section to be printed, just select that cell and over here click it as set print area, and if you press Ctrl P now, you will see only this data highlighted. Okay, then you can always change this data, this settings over here. You can change it to portrait, you can change it to landscape as per the requirement. Okay, so if you want to see data in a different, so if you have thousands of records and you want to see, and if you want to see how exactly it is getting to be printed, so you can just click on page layout section over here. If you click it over here, then you can see data is getting printed this way. Okay, so this is after considering that it will print it in portrait, or when we select it as landscape, it will print it that way. So you can click over here to add the header. Just in case you don't see this section over here, you can just uh, increase this section over here from here, and then you will be able to see. So if you want to see the header, then you can always select this section, and then you can add your let's say file name. So if you click over here, it will show you the file name. Okay, so this actually will print the file name. And in case you want the page number to be printed, you can click over here, and if you want page to be repeated, page space enter will give you page number. And if you want time to be repeated, click on time, it will repeat time also. So if you see over here, it is showing you basic Excel. Okay, so it is showing the name of the Excel file over here, and this is the page number, this is the time. Okay, so this is page number 3 over here, page number 4 and 2, and so on. So these are different ways wherein you can always add a header, or so I will give you more details on this. Okay, so and again, if you want to add a footer, you can add it over here. Okay, so I will go again back to the same option which was there. Okay, so if you want to get in depth of the printing footer and header, you can always go to this section, and then you will have lot of choices over here. If you want to print this header only on first page or last page, you can always use these options over here. Okay, similarly, if you want custom footer, you can add a custom footer. You want footer to be added on first page, last page, you can click on drop down and select different pages. So you can use odd and even pages, different first page. So if you want first page to be your company's header name, address, and then rest to be as per the columns, then you can always select this different first page, and then you can see what preview it will show you. So you can see over here page 1 Excel series book and the date over here. Okay, so I will just remove the printable area, clear print area. Okay, so now if I just go, you can see, you can always change the margins also over here. If I keep it narrow, and if I keep the performance column a bit uh, smaller, then I can always cross check after making the changes how what difference does it makes. So if you see now, there are only 2 pages, so I can print it as per my requirement. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell.